Do you snore or do you sleep next to someone who snores? I am the snorer in my household. The true story is because I was such a snorer, I was not getting a deep sleep, and that was causing extra stress on my heart. And you may be dealing with that too. I beg you, please try an anti-snoring mouthpiece. I have tried this one, the ZQuiet, and I love it. I do not snore with it in. I also have a very expensive custom mouthpiece that I have been wearing for 4 years. And because of sleeping with the mouthpiece and not snoring, I have been able to come off of blood pressure medication. I recently found the ZQuiet and I have tried this one out. I like it better than the big bulky custom mouthpiece. Seriously. And I am not snoring. I've got this linked for you below so you can try it out because I know you want to sleep deeply as well.